Hello guys, if you like my awesome gaming videos, my programming and web development courses, my editing courses and editing videos, and my tech talks and tech guidance, then you can consider subscribing to my channel and click on this bell icon to stay connected with me all the time. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this part I'm going to show you how you can change the orientation of your video from 16:9 to 1:1, or make your horizontal videos to vertical and your vertical videos to horizontal and give nice background effect to it. You can change orientation, resolution, effect, all of those things, and transform your video to one shape to another shape very simple and easily. Okay, so first let me go into some video. Suppose drag me this video here in my timeline, and I created a new project using file new and new project and give it any name. Okay, you just create using this command, and as you can see, this is the video, and let me increase it. It is vertical video. Suppose you want to convert it to the horizontal, so this is the problem, right? We need to change it. You can delete it from here. So right click, if you double click on this sequence, and as you can see, it will appear, and right click on it and go to your new sequence from clip. Okay, so it will create a new sequence. As you can see, it is creating a new sequence. This one use your original sequence, so this is your actual sequence that you're gonna convert. So I'm gonna rename it to suppose this is vertical. All right, it is horizontal. It should be horizontal. Okay, so I'm naming it and horizontal. So right click on it and go to the sequence setting that you just created horizontal and change its orientation. Okay, go to sequence setting, and here you change the editing mode to custom. Make sure it is custom, otherwise you cannot change any frame rate or video size. Okay, so the time base should be default, whichever this video is shooted. You can select up to 60 fps. Okay, just I'm currently using 60. You can use any other frame. Okay, then we need to change the frame size. This is actually the video size. Suppose I want to give it to 1920 by 1080, which is 16:9 ratio, which is 1080p videos that we see on YouTube and many other platforms. And keep the aspect ratio square pixel, and don't touch any other field. Okay, and you can just click on OK and press OK. As you can see, it's now have become a 1080p videos. As you can see in the rectangle, before it was just vertical, now it is rectangle. Now the problem is, if you click on this and go to effect control, as you can see, make sure it is selected, this sequence is selected, and if you change the scale, as you can see, actually it was a vertical video. Now you change it to horizontal, so it will have, if you increase the size, and you can change the XY position. As you can see, if you change this, just focus on your main object. Okay, so this is our main object, and as you can see, we have left side, right side, we have a black border. Now how we can solve this problem? Now first we need to click alter. Okay, just select on the sequence, click on your keyboard alter. Okay, and in the Mac you should use option and use your mouse left button and alter to drag it to the upper side. Okay, now we have two sequences, so these are the two same videos. Upper is one that we see, and the another one that we don't see. Now the upper one we won't touch it, the below we need to touch it. So in the below sequence we need to scale it up. As you can see, we're scaling it up, so it is giving a nice overall frame. Okay, in the background, but don't touch the upper side, because this is the video, okay, that we are seeing, so we don't need to change it. Okay, we just keep it normal and change the lower order, this one. Okay, just you can change it, as you can see, which is giving a nice effect. Now we need another thing, which is Gaussian blur. Go to video effect, and you can go to the video effect and go to the blur and sharpen. If you go to the Gaussian blur, just drag it on the lower order. Okay, so the lower part of the video, not this one, this one, and here you will see the blurriness. You can change the blurriness of your video. Okay, it looks better if you run it. Let me run it. As you can see, it looks so cool, it looks so beautiful, right? So this is the thing that you need to learn and apply to your videos. Now I'm just deleting it, and I'm going to delete everything from it, and I'm going to go to another video, which is this horse video, the gameplay that I played. Okay, so this is another game's horse riding video. So this is not organized properly. Now this is a vertical video, and it is changed to horizontal format. Now we need to take it to horizontal format, and we need to rotate it. Okay, so for that, what you need to do, just delete this and delete all of those things, and this is the main sequence. Okay, right? So right click on it and make a new sequence, and its name should be, just right click on it and name should be perfect. This is the perfect clip. Okay, so this is the perfect clip, and as you can see, its name is perfect. So this is the sequence that we have. Now we need to change the orientation. This video orientation is not perfect. Okay, so if you go click on this and go to the effect control, and you can change the scale. Okay, you can change the scale. As you can see, this is the square video. We need to change it to horizontal. So this, we need to change the rotation. Click on 90 degree and see which one is perfect. So this one is not perfect, change it to 180 degree. It is also not perfect, just go to the 270 degree. Okay, nice, it looks pixel perfect. Or if you know math, it is same equivalent to minus 90 degree. Okay, it would be the same. So I am keeping it to 770 degree, which looks really good. Now you can scale it. Okay, scale it up, and you can change the position. Okay, and now what you can do, you can add the background effect because it is not covering full screen. Okay, so this is the problem, the vertical video, when you change it to horizontal, and it will have a black border. So you need to change it, just click on alter. Okay, and use your mouse left click and drag it to upper side. So this is your main sequence, and this one is your sequence that you want to scale. Okay, so we have two videos consecutively, one after each other. Okay, so in the below part, we're gonna scale it up like previous and give a Gaussian blur to the below one, and now it looks change it to blurriness, and now it looks better. Okay, now if you play the video, it has a nice little background effect. Okay, then in many of the cases that you see, you need to change it to vertical effect to horizontal, horizontal to vertical. You can do this. Now I'm deleting this. I'm deleting all of those things, and I'm dragging another video. This is, as you can see, this is a horizontal video. Now we need to change it to vertical. Now how we can do that? Same thing, just right click on it and click on new sequence from clip, and this is another, this is your original, this is your new sequence, and you just to rename it, and this is, we will convert it to vertical. Okay, this is your vertical clip. Right click on it and go to the sequence setting, same as before, just use your custom, and suppose it's 60 frames per second, and change the frame size of 1080 by 1080. So frame size should be both side 1080, so that it remains the vertical 1:1 aspect ratio, and everything is same. You can change it to any format. Okay, and click on OK and OK. Now as you can see, it is converted into your horizontal video, converted into the vertical format. Now you can change the scale. As you can see, before it was rectangle, you can scale it up. Okay, you can scale it up, and you can change the rotation, like rotation, suppose 90 degree rotation, and it, as you can see, it has changed. Okay, and you can change the 270 degree. It looks very good. Okay, and you can scale it up. Okay, scale it up, it's your choice. You can do this, you can rotate it, whichever format you like. You can change it to any format. I have completely changed the video from horizontal to vertical. Okay, now this is the thing that you need to know. So this is the thing that you need to know while you want to change or transform your videos and rotate your videos and everything that you want to do. So these are the tips and tricks that you can do to make your videos look as much as beautiful as it is, and whichever format or frames that you want. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll be coming with the next video with another awesome content.